patrol. Well, who else is going to do it now that the Trash Force has been disbanded? It's not like Trash Force ever picked up much of the trash around here. Turns out Alex F&V was just in it for the radioactive burrito. Even though I too saw Dark Tone save the day with my own eyes at Waste Dump 69. Don't we all have to admit that none of this would have been an issue if Patrick Galactic properly disposed of that half-eaten burrito? Littering can be life or death. Everything leaves a trace. Everything. It's our jobs as conduits of science to transform garbage into gold, to change trash into information.
Well, dry my crying eyes. If it isn't my old bartender, Mandy. What can I get you, bird?
Nothing for me, Louie. I need to talk to TC about this spectacle bear.
You and everyone else. TC, you got another visitor about the bear.
Ah, TC Blackout. The crazy one from Waste Dump 69.
Guilty as charged.
So tell me, TC, how real is this imaginary bear?
As real as turning yourself into a goblin bird with a utopia machine.
Okay, maybe I asked for that. What I mean is, well look, I found this contract seemingly signed by a spectacle bear.
I didn't realize you're doing any official business. Is that barely legal? No, you're right. None of my business. Oh, okay. See you later, bear.
Who are you talking to? Is that the bear? Can I talk to him?
Well, you could have, but he just left.
So he was here, but he's not now?
You'll have to forgive Mandy here, TC. They ain't used to believing in imaginary bears. And it's awfully hard to tell where the spectacle bear is or isn't.
Wherever this imaginary bear is, he better be using the properly labeled compost and recycling bins.